Hi, little chef. Welcome to day 34 of working as a chef on a yacht. Today, I'm on Operation Use Up the Leftovers and Frozen Goods. I only had the butt end of the bread left and decided to make some French toast for Brian. We also don't have any eggs on board, so egg beaters it is. I initially provisioned the boat with egg beaters just in case we run out of eggs. At this point in the trip, we've already gone through about 300 eggs, so it's definitely possible to run out. I've never had to serve the egg beaters to guests, but I have served them to crew. We're getting guests in a couple of days, so I'm trying to hold off on provisioning until we clear out the fridge and guests are on board. This is one of my favorite games to play. Just look in the fridge, see what I've got, and see what I can make with it. I had frozen onions, carrots, celery, and peas, and also some ground turkey, so I decided to make some empanadas. Another ingredient that I brought on board just in case we ran out were canned potatoes. And after tasting them, I will never bring them on board again. Potatoes are that one ingredient that you can always find in a Bahamian grocery store. These empanadas freeze very well, so I'll package them up, put them in the freezer, and when guests are on board and want a snack, I can take them out and bake them off. When guests get on board, it can be pretty hectic. Anything that I can prepare ahead of time, the better. I told you we're on Operation Use Up the Leftovers, so that's exactly what the crew's having for lunch today. Whenever I serve leftovers, I like to supplement with something fresh and green, so I'll make a salad. After lunch, I'll get back into the galley and start on creamy prep. We're gonna have a large group coming in a couple of days, so I need to make a lot of ice cream. We're doing a chocolate peanut butter flavor. 2 of them are gonna be regular with full sugar, full chocolate, and the other one is gonna be sugar-free for the owners. And another sugar-free option I'm gonna do is almond butterscotch. Ice cream is such a great make-ahead dessert. I don't have to heat it up, I don't have to cook it, I don't have to prepare it. All I have to do is throw it into the Ninja Creami. I am not much of a baker because I don't like to measure, that's why I cook. So any dessert where I don't have to follow a recipe and put my creative spin on it, I'm in. I also keep backup puff pastry and pound cake just in case my cakes don't turn out too great. One of my favorite kitchen tools is an immersion blender, and it definitely came in handy when I was blending these ice creams up. Ninja Creami prep is all complete. I'll pack these up and put them into the freezer. We are headed to Pig Beach. This time this one's in Georgetown, and I heard there are nicer pigs here. The owners of the yacht called the captain and asked what there is to do in Georgetown for the guests. They told us to go on an adventure to find all of the fun places. First stop is Pig Beach. Look at the trees. Hi, buddy. Hi. Can I pet him?
I don't know.
I know, it's too cute. I'm gonna pull him up into the boat.
No, you're not.
Oh. Oh my god. Get me that baby. They retreated. Hi, little chickens. Oh, look at the pink one. Hi. Who wants a sweet potato to feed the pig? Hey, little pink boy over there. Pinky. Yay, eat the sweet potato. Here, you guys are so patient. Here you go. Here you go, big fat Papa. 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 Ready? Here you go. Here you go. Here, Brian, take the sweet potato. Brian! Give it back! Brian, give it back! Oh, God! I was about to get in. Hey, can you get that cute pink one and bring it over here? This is hilarious. Brian is becoming one of the pigs. Pig Daddy. Brian, they're gonna start following us home. Nothing. I don't have anything. You're the ear flapper, aren't you? Oh my gosh!
I'll bring it back.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah.
What do they do?
We'll bite you.
Okay, I gotta go. Brian just said they bite you. Hi, little guy. He's cute. Oh, here comes a little pink one. Hi. These are the ones that are antisocial. We have nothing. Hi, piggies. I think they're just hot. Oh my God, she's carrying a pig. She's carrying a freaking pig. Oh, here comes Oreo. Next place we headed to was a private island where we think the guests will love. We set the anchor on the dinghy and took a short hike to the other side of the island. We were thinking it would be a great place to have a picnic. That's enough exploration for the day. We all got back into the tender and headed back to the yacht. Man, the boat looks good. Out of all of the proteins, beef is what we have the most of, so that's what we're having for dinner. I'm searing off some ribeye steaks and serving that with Caribbean mac and cheese and frozen green beans. Can you tell that I'm itching to get to the grocery store? If you're enjoying this channel, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, little chef.